Okay, video one out of the way. In video one, we rearranged the folder structure, created a dev container directory, set up a workspace. Now I want to clean up these warnings to at least make them not there so that any work that I do will show up as issues. So this is the worker field. It's never read. I'm just going to rename this to _workers. Same sort of thing with this. This is trying to create a thread pool, so I don't want to worry about that sort of thing. ID and thread. There we go. Unused. Remove all unused. Hello handler is probably not used. This is because we commented them out down there. So, I don't want to do, we're going to do it here. Allow dead code. I didn't want to do it globally for the file because that's going to be a problem. We're not using socket adder. This is going to be what we work on initially to sort of test out our example. So we're going to keep this file here. Unused input transport. Sure. Remove that. SMTP client. So, yeah, this, I didn't do this. This was there before. Let's just keep the code there and comment those out. Not comment them out, but put underscores for them. File name and cannot find file name. Oh, it does not need to be mutable. That was the problem. And unused variable body. Nice. Okay, now we're clean with our at least our warnings. Run cargo build. This should compile clean. Now let's do cargo clippy. I'm kind of worried about this. Man, there's a lot of stuff there. Let's go ahead and work on this. Trim before string split. What does it say? Split whitespace. Split whitespace will trim already? I guess it does. Let me just look at that. Why is this bad? It already ignores leading and trailing whitespace. Look at that. I learned something new. Okay, that's not the one you want to see. Let's bring this up. And look at that. I learned something new today. Trying to do that. Yeah, so the destructuring. If you're not looking at the error case, or I guess in this case, get, we're probably going to need. Oh, we don't actually. This is a problem. Ooh, I almost want to. Well, okay, we'll leave this here. If let this stuff equals body. Hold on, what was it doing? Oh, we're matching on self. Oh yeah, that's not a good way to do it. If let request post underscore. I don't know what they're matching there. Self is going to, oh, I see. So it's going to be the string side of your body. Oh, that's not the way to do it. So let's just do ref mute b equals self. Then they're setting star b to body. Oh, and they're making our self mutable. Oh, this will be great. I'm actually really excited about what I'm seeing here, not because it's good, but because there's so much that we can do to make this better with just a little bit of help. Yeah, so we have map and flatten. That changes to flat map. Right? Isn't that what they want you to do? Called map and flatten on option. Oh. That's weird. Because, yeah, that returns that. We're going to map string. So you don't really return, you don't call flatten an option. That's sort of the problem. What do we get here? We get a double option. So because trim, really we wanted to unwrap here. I believe. I think that's what we want. Yeah, that should probably be what we want. Content length. So that should already be. You don't really want map because this is an option. You want then and then, which returns another option. Do I want that? This is not a great way to parse this, but let me just get this to sort of compile. Content length is now option, okay, or 0. That's a result, unwrap, or 0. There we go. It at least compiles. We'll fix that as well. Let's see what our next clippy error is. Oh, we're almost done. Server, tracing a char there instead of a string. Yeah. It's more performant from a string. And read amount's never handled because read is not going to read everything. You probably want read all. Read to end. That's probably what you want. And I believe you don't actually have to, pre-allocate the content length. You might create a buffer that has it reserved, but this will automatically expand to that. If anything, you should then check content length there, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so now we're clippy clean, and I believe we're build clean. Going to do two things. We're going to run that, and I also want to run cargo FMT just to format the entire workspace. In my code editor, I have, I believe, format on save. So every file that I touch is going to, when I save it, it's going to automatically format it with cargo format or Rust format. And but running cargo format will update everything on the entire file system, or at least in the project. No real changes, hopefully, to the logic. I may have mucked something up here, so I won't hold that against him when I go to review this. But we're at least now clean in our builds and can sort of move forward, hoping that we're in good shape. I don't think we have any tests. It's okay. It's not okay, but we'll get there. This is video 2. Video 3, we're going to start actually looking at code, maybe. We'll see where that goes. At least we're going to go through the review to sort of triage what we're looking at and make a plan of attack for doing some refactoring, maybe. I don't know. I looked at it a little bit online on my phone, And so this will be good to take a narrative look at it on a real computer. See you in that next video.